only able to make around $2,500, which is a great amount. $2,500, not shillings. Because if you are allowed to refer 25 people and you're paid $100, that's $2,500. Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, where we help you learn how to make money online the legit way. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, please. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell. And even if you are a subscriber, remember to hit the bell because you get notified every single time that we publish a video. You don't want to miss out on how to secure that bag because we have weekly videos, and in some weeks we're actually uploading like twice a week. So without taking too much of your time, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can make up to 2,500 per person that you refer to a particular company. So a lot of you already know about affiliate marketing. It's something we love and talk about on this channel so much. But some of you are new to this video, and some of you I know just clicked on this video for the first time, and you have no idea who TechHood is, who this person sitting in front of you is. So I've already introduced myself as a digital entrepreneur, and we talk about videos on how to make money online and digital entrepreneurship. But maybe you don't know what affiliate marketing is and what making money with referrals, what that is all about. So let me share the the basis of this, and then I'm gonna let you know what the company is and how you can go out there and make 2,500 shillings per person that you refer to this company. Okay, so let's dive in. So first, affiliate marketing is where you as an individual find a company or a brand or a service that you can promote, and whenever somebody purchases their product or service through a special link that is given to you online, you get paid a commission as a thank you. And so we've talked about so many different affiliate marketing programs on this channel, and just to mention a few of them, Jumia is one that will pay you 13% for every person that you bring to buy a product. Another one is HostFiti, and this is a website building platform where you can create websites that are absolutely stunning, and you don't necessarily need to have any technical skills. You don't need to code anything on this website because they have created a newbie and user-friendly platform to help you design websites for your online business. Another one is Kwetu. And so today, Kwetu is basically a place where you can go there and, it's an accommodation platform for people that are in college. And so they pay you 2,500 for every single person that you refer to them. I've forgotten to mention HostFiti actually pays you, I think it's 20%. Because yeah, it's 20, I believe it's 20% of the sale that you bring to them. And we have actually done a video on this, and we've actually gotten customers to this company. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is. You can promote anything in the world. We've also done another video on Bold Cashers where you can promote the company and people to register, and you get paid a commission whenever somebody registers. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So what is this mystery company that we're talking about, and how exactly are you going to promote or share the product or service that they have to make this 2,500 per person? Well, we're talking here about Airbnb. Now, I know that several of you have already heard about Airbnb before, but if you've never heard about this, it's simply a platform that allows people to host others who are traveling to a new place, and that is the revenue model. Somebody comes and stays at one of the houses that you have, and what happens is you get paid. But here is the thing, and here's the beauty of Airbnb. They have an affiliate program that you can earn from. And you can earn from Airbnb in 3 ways. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the 2 other methods. We're not talking about you earning money from Airbnb as a host, but you earning money from Airbnb as a partner or somebody that is referring people. So the first method that you can earn from Airbnb as someone who is referring people is by referring guests. Okay, if you refer somebody who can go and become a guest, what happens is that Airbnb will pay you 2,500. And this is really awesome because with this particular method, there is no cap or there's no limit to the number of guests that you can refer. So that means that if you refer 1 guest, you get to make 2,500. If you are in the vlogging space where you talk about traveling, where you talk about things such as, moving from one place to the next and where people can stay and stuff like that, or if you have a blog on that, this is a really awesome opportunity for you to make good money as a side hustle. Now, I say side hustle because this isn't something that you want to be depending on to be paying your rent or to be, sustaining you, but it can make you a ton of money over time. And so if you refer 1 person, you can make 2,500. The more people you refer, the more you can make with this. Now, the next way that you can make money online in Kenya with Airbnb is through referring hosts. Now, the host is basically the person who is going to be hosting people in their home. For example, if I wanted somebody to come and stay in my apartment, I would be the host. Now, when you refer a host, Airbnb pays you a whopping $100. Now, this is really awesome because where else are you going to be making that kind of money? By just getting hosts to sign up for the platform, and when people when somebody pays on this platform, you also get paid. And so the limit, though, there is a limit to the number of hosts that you can refer. There's only 25 hosts that you are actually allowed to refer. So that means that you are only able to make around $2,500, which is a great amount. $2,500, not shillings. Because if you are allowed to refer 25 people and you're paid $100, that's $2,500. If you multiply that by roughly 100 shillings, it comes to around 250,000. So I want you to think about that and the potential of earning that actually is in that method. So those are the 2 ways that you can make money online in Kenya with Airbnb. Hey, if you've tried out this method before, let me know how it worked for you down in the comment section. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, make sure to follow up with this playlist. And if you haven't checked out the video that is on my left about affiliate marketing, definitely go and check that out. It's going to let you know how to make money online in Kenya with Jumia as an affiliate. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.